Guys, welcome to Intellect Digest. I'm your host Rohit Khurana. Let's get started with this episode. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Vivo X21, the revolutionary and the first in India phone that comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. It comes with face unlock and it has some very interesting features. I'll quickly show you the phone, what all you get with the box, and I'll also give you a quick features overview, including a demo of the face unlock and the fingerprint scanner. And I'll also talk about what I like about this phone. So let's have a look. Opening the box, first of all, the box itself is so beautiful. They are the sponsors of FIFA World Cup Russia 2018, and this is how the packaging is, very premium. And this is the phone itself, the Vivo X21. The plastic protection on the phone mentions that there is a fingerprint scanner under the display. I'll keep this to the side. Let's see what else is there. So here you have some IMEI stickers, quick start guides, documentation, and a SIM ejector pin. There is a bundled soft case. This is a back case. It says designed by Vivo. It's pretty high in quality and it has been included. It has a nice chin and good finish to it. So Vivo has included this high quality cover, which is a cool thing. And here you have USB to micro USB data cable. Here we have the Vivo World Cup Russia FIFA World Cup brochure. This seems to be the charger or the power brick. And this is an adaptive fast charger. It comes with the 5 volt to ampere and 9 volt to ampere current rating, so you have adaptive fast charging here. And these are the earphones which have been bundled. This is a different design, as you can see in the ear types, and they look quite nice and futuristic. They have Vivo branding on it. Good looking earphones. They come with 3.5mm standard headphone jack, and there is an inline microphone, and there is a button to accept or reject calls. Let's keep everything to the side and get back to the phone. And here is the Vivo X21. Let's quickly remove the plastics from here. There's also a protective plastic at the back. This is a beautiful finish, as you can see. Very nice color. It has that sophistication to it. You have to have a look at it in real life to get to see the kind of texture and quality it offers you. It's very elegant and very beautiful. The edges are kind of rounded, which feel good. The hand feel or the grip of this phone is also pretty good. Talking of physical overview, there is power or wake up key on the right, volume rocker on top of that. On top of the phone is secondary microphone, and there is 3.5mm audio port. Left side is totally clean, and the bottom gets speaker grill, charging port, primary microphone hole, and the SIM card tray, which is at the bottom of this phone. Let me quickly open this up and show you the SIM card tray configuration. So here you have a dual SIM hybrid arrangement, wherein you can add either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 micro SD card. On front is a 6.28 inches full high definition plus display, which is practically from edge to edge. There is a very slim chin at the bottom, and on top there is a very slim notch in between, which houses the earpiece, the front 12 megapixel sensor, as well as some other ambient light sensors, etc. On the rear of the phone is the Vivo branding. There is dual camera setup, a 12 megapixel primary and a 5 megapixel secondary camera sensor, designed by Vivo text towards the bottom. The phone does feel very premium, comes with Gorilla Glass protection, and there is already a screen guard applied when I took it out of the box. Let me set this up and show you what lies ahead. And here is the interesting part of the setup process which I want to show you, and this is where you set up the protection, which is the fingerprint protection and the face unlock. So I want to show you how you set up the fingerprint scanner here. So it asks you some questions. So let me just get done with this, and then it asks you to register your fingerprint, and there is no external scanner. The scanner is below the glass, and you have to put your thumb right on top of this location highlighted on the screen. It illuminates your thumb impression and registers the same using the reflection of that. There is a sensor below the glass which is reading it. It says adjust your grip, so I'm just tilting my thumb a little bit and registering my thumb impression on this fingerprint scanner, and definitely feels quite high-tech. And there is an animation here which can be changed. So let's select the second one. I find this good, and I can also add my face for face unlock, so let's try that as well. So the face has been added for the face unlock, and this is how the home screen looks like. This is the display. It's a Super AMOLED full high definition plus display, which does look really beautiful. As you can see, the blacks are deep black, the color saturation is amazing. And let me test out the fingerprint scanner here. Touch the phone or you bring it up, this light comes up where you need to place your thumb. It reads your thumb impression and it unlocks the same. Let me show that to you again. So there are two ways of unlocking. Right now I'm not looking towards the phone. I just pick it up, it wakes up this fingerprint scanner, I put my thumb here and it unlocks. You see how this happens? Other way is by looking at the phone. For that I have to press on this button. It starts the face detection here, and now I look at it. And as soon as I look at it, it unlocks. So this time it unlocked by looking at my face. So let me give you a demo of the face unlock again. I just wake it up, turn it towards me, and it unlocks. It is very fast. It's amazing how the face unlock as well as the fingerprint unlock here is working. Now let me give you a quick demo of the display quality of this display. I find this phone to be really good for multimedia consumption and gaming. There is an equally good processor underneath. There is a Snapdragon 660 AI enabled octa-core chip which has 2.2 GHz clock speed. It comes with 6 GB of RAM and there is 128 GB of internal memory. There is Android 8.1 which comes preloaded onto this phone. And before I wrap up this video, let me quickly show you the camera capabilities of this phone. It comes with AI capabilities in camera. There are multiple modes provided here. The rear camera is 12 plus 5 megapixel camera and the front facing camera a 12 megapixel shooter. So let me take a few pictures and show you how it comes out. This is the normal picture and here you can enable bokeh mode. Let me take a picture of the front facing camera as well. As you can see, the frame is really wide. And now the time for results. This is the 12 megapixel front facing camera selfie that we have taken. You can see the clarity in the image, the detailing, the sharpness it is capturing, and you can also see how wide the frame is. It is beautifully lit and it's a very good shot. This is the rear facing camera picture that we took. This one is without portrait and this one is with portrait mode, and you can see there is background blur on this one and there is more background blur on the one with the portrait mode enabled. The clarity of image is really high. The sensor is doing a great job at taking pictures. The focus is really sharp. It is using dual pixel technology, which is very fast and accurate in identifying the focus on the object. As you can see here, it is in sharp focus. So the camera quality here is impressive, very impressive. So if I have to sum up best things about this phone, it is this under the glass fingerprint scanner which no other phone gives you at present. It comes with face unlock, it comes with a very capable set of cameras. It has a beautiful design, very elegant, comes with a large 3200 mAh battery, Snapdragon 660 processor, fast charging. So it is feature loaded. It comes at 36,000 rupees. I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below where you can get one for yourself. If you want to pick up one for yourself, I'm leaving Best Buy links in the description section below where you can get one for the Best Buy price. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up. Do let us know in the comment section below what you think about this, and do share your suggestions. Subscribe for more such videos. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.